Nice haircut.
Ahem. Regulation 47K subsection 8 clearly states... No customers on the counter!
Lady, I just want my package.
The rules are the rules, Woodpecker. I don't make them, I just carry them out. There are rules to be followed. Wasting stamps. That's another rule you've broken.
Say, aren't you Employee of the Month?
Oh, aren't you sweet? Let's see if we can get that package for you. Claim slip?
Phooey. I seem to have misplaced it.
Company rules are very specific about missing claim slips. Oh, my. Rule 84, paragraph G, states that customers without claim slips must take a number and wait in line until an official of the company, that would be me, calls his number and verifies his identity. And then there's Rule 48K. No touching the rule book! Now take a number and wait like everybody else.
Oh, boy.
Number 1. Number 2. Anyone? Number 3.
Right here. Number 3. Now can I get my box?
Yes. See how well everything works when we follow the rules? Now, you may wait in the package line. Behind the red line, mister! That woodpecker!
I
Caught you red-handed, woodpecker.
Oh, nerves! Oh, thanks for coming.
I'm head nurse Meanie.
Well, my head's fine. I don't need a head nurse. I need the neck rub nurse from next door.
Your chart says you're to get lots of rest.
I don't feel like resting anymore.
Good! Then I'll just have to tire you out with some old-fashioned exercise. You know, nothing relaxes me before bedtime like weightlifting. Now you try. Oh, my. You should never lift weights when you're that sleepy.
This isn't going like I planned.
Your chart calls for big meals.
Hot diggity dog! Bring on the cow, Nurse Frau.
I made you extra-large portions of today's special. Ta-da! Bran muffins, bran salad, and for dessert, a bran souffle.
Yuck! I mean, yum, yum.
Healthy food makes a healthy body. I'm gonna watch you eat every bite.
Lucky me. Yum.
Oops, your chart fell. I don't remember that statue. Must be a new interior decorator on this ward. Oh, and don't worry, there's lots more bran left over for dinner.
Easy, big fella. I know we didn't eat, but we still got TV.
The identity of the thief is none other than...
Hey! What's the big idea?
There's a sicker patient in room 302 who needs this TV. Sorry, but it's hospital policy.
Oh, yeah? So I'm not sick enough, eh? We'll see about that.
Oh, Oh, my!
Oh, nurse, I'm so sick. Sicker than the guy with the TV. Oh.
Well, you're covered in sweat. Oh, and chicken pox. You're burning up! A hot water bottle? Aha! So you've been faking.
What do you know? I'm cured.
You'll answer to the hospital administrator for this!
Code red, code blue, I'm out of here. Stop that. Woo-hoo! Coming through.
Come back, you freeloader! Aha!
Sleeping on the job, are we, head nurse?
And find Nurse Meany, Doctor. She wants me to see her patient.
Ah, phooey. I gotta find a way to get past the head honcho. Bingo. The worst case of dizzy smack fusilliitis I've ever seen. Luckily, it's not serious. Beep, beep, coming through. Emergency code red. Meanie on a gurney. Hey, that worked pretty well. Yeah.
Got ya, doctor.
Cancel my appointments, nurse. This is my golf day.
Come back here, you little malpractice poacher! Oh, I'm terribly sorry, sir.
You young folk, always in a hurry. In my day, we respected our elders.
Woodpecker.
I made it. I'm out. I'm fine. Never better. See you later.
Back again, Woodpecker? I'll give you a freeloaderectomy you'll never forget. Nice going, laughing boy.
Oh no, it can't be.
Look what I found, ma'am.
Another chickenpox case. This could be very serious. You've done a fine job getting him here. But you look tired. Take the rest of the day off.
Whoopee! Yeah! All right! Oh, I mean, thank you, ma'am.
They're having a big cactus sale down at Prickly Pete's garden shop.
Got all the cacti I need.
Oh, look! A fashion show. You should go with some of your girlfriends.
I don't have any girlfriends, Woodpecker.
Yeesh. No wonder she doesn't go out much. But if Meanie had a gal pal to go downtown with, then maybe she'd get out of here for a while. You must be that adorable Miss Meanie my sweet nephew Woody has told me so much about.
Who are you?
Why, I'm Woody's favorite Aunt Pecky from Louisiana. I love what you've done with this place. It's so early neglect. Say, I was just about to go out for a fun makeover day. Why don't you come along with me? Just us girls.
Oh, I don't know. I'm kind of a homebody. Besides, I got lots to do here. Blow out some earwax. Put up some toe jam. Count my change.
Change, exactly. And you know what they say, dear? Change begins with you.
Yo?
Did I say yow? Oh, shucks, I meant you. Change begins with you, dear. And if you're a homebody, then so am I.
Why are you closing the shades?
Because, dear, it's time for Aunt Pecky's miracle makeover treatment. You can't have nosy neighbors knowing all our secrets now, can we?
I like secrets.
First, we're gonna unpack those bags.
Oh?
And we'll do it with Aunt Pecky's all-natural eye burner. It's a patented formula, you know.
Whoa!
Doesn't that just make you feel ever so royal?
Yeah, I feel kind of like Caesar. Caesar salad!
Or a fruit cup. Don't you move a muscle. I'll be back in 2 shakes of a woodpecker's tail. Pool goes in the back, boys, beneath the tree. And try to keep it down. Neighbors, you know. What? Look what you did. You wrecked the pool and the lawn.
We'll fix it, ma'am. You have Bonehead's promise.
Well, you just better, Buster.
Pecky! Am I done yet, Pecky?
Oh, my, yes. But now, Pecky's perky permanent ways, here you come.
Having a makeover partner is so much more fun than I ever thought. Something smells like garbage.
Garbage? Oh, that's because you've been down in the dumps so long, hon.
Dumps? Ha! I get it. I smell like garbage because I've been down in the dumps. Ha ha! That's a good one, Pecky.
Oh, just look. You could hold down a roof with those nails, child.
Oh! Tickles! Tickles!
Well, it's about ding-dong time. Now hurry up and get everything installed. I haven't got all day. Missed you! Now hold your breath. Mud pack! It'll take years off your face. Ooh, hair's done. Now that's a tight curl. Ooh, careful, you'll undo all our good work.
I feel like a new woman.
And a new woman demands a new outfit. Now you tidy up and get out of those old things. Yoo-hoo! Out with the old you and in with the new you.
Oh, why? I don't know what to say. I love the new me.
You keep the love fest going, Meanie. It's been so much fun keeping you busy all afternoon. Oh my, how time flies. Kinda like me. I gotta go now. Toodles. But we'll do this again real soon, you bet. Bye-bye. Well, what do you know? A secret way in.
Oh, Poe! Boxes must be stacked at all times. Direct violation of Code 525Z. Trespassing behind my counter!
Finger here and help me tie this knot. Next stop, Bora Bora. Java!
Not so fast, violator! No scofflaw's going to break procedure on my watch!
Oh, yeah? Watch me.
Woodpecker?
Wow! I can't wait to begin my adventure.
Come out, or I'll have so much junk mail delivered to your house it'll look like a paper recycling plant!
A Navy officer's uniform?
A what?
But first, I know just what Mr. Alias would do in this situation.
Oh, Woodpecker! Come on out. I won't hurt you. Oh, Delivery Master General, what are you doing here? A spot inspection?
Regulation 39B clearly states employees are to follow orders from their superiors at all times.
Yes, sir, Delivery Master General.
Now get behind that red line until I tell you to move. On your mark. Get set. Pack that box. Sort that mail. Count those stamps. Stack that tape. Answer that phone. File those invoices.
Woodpecker! Get over here! According to our rental agreement, you have to run errands and care for me whenever I'm sick. Or you're out on your tail feathers.
Ah, phooey. You're not sick, Ms. Meanie. I heard that doctor say it's all in your head.
I am sick, I tell ya. My skin's gone all saggy. I'm all run down. And that's only the beginning. The first thing I need you to do is to go to the pharmacy. Give this to the pharmacist. It lists all my symptoms. He should be able to recommend something. Well, don't just lie there. Get hopping!
Quick! I need something to cure all the symptoms in this book.
Now you go back to that pharmacy and...
No, please, don't make me go back there again. Say, Ms. Meanie, did I ever tell you I know lots of secret home remedies?
What kind of home remedies?
You name it, my family knew how to cure it. Back strain, neck pain, even fixes for your ailing kitchen drain. Yes, sirree, bottle link, I can cure halitosis, symbiosis, and even the occasional fungus that shows up in my toeses.
You're probably right. No one's been able to help me yet, so if you can't, no one can. Let's get to it.
Nothing's ever gonna help her. I'm just gonna have to get myself fired so I can go to the beach. I'm about to share with you a secret cure for back pain.
Whoa!
Perfection!
Oh, it hurts! But it's a good hurt, Woodpecker. Oh, it's good! Oh, yeah! Oh!
Maybe even my home treatments aren't gonna work. You should fire me right now, Ms. Meanie.
Oh. Woodpecker! My back! It's cured! It's a miracle! Whoopee! Yeah! What do you got for my saggy skin?
Nothing helps that saggy skin of yours like a good soak in an herbal bath. Now you add your sour cream, and, canned yams are always good. Bam! Kosher pickles, oatmeal, poultry, fresh fruit, seafood. Thicken with flour. Add parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. And now to finish it off, a little splash of hot sauce.
Yes!
Simmer under cover until well done. Finally, the beach! Woodpecker!
Now that's what I call a skin toner. And thanks for lunch.
What's it gonna take to get fired around here?